How to fix GTA Online session is having trouble refreshing important catalog data error by changing DNS settings. Welcome back to Technobalta. Today, we delve deep into a common yet frustrating issue plaguing many Grand Theft Auto Online players. The persistent session is having trouble refreshing important catalog data error. This error typically prevents players from accessing a game store's, interacting with crucial online functionalities, or even joining sessions altogether, often leading to disconnections or game freezes. While Rockstar Games server-side issues or recent updates can sometimes be the culprit, a significant number of instances trace back to localized network configurations and DNS resolution problems. This comprehensive guide will equip you with a robust set of advanced troubleshooting steps, with a particular focus on optimizing your DNS settings to resolve this critical connectivity issue and restore your seamless GTA Online experience. Image 1.png Visual: a high-contrast split screen. Left: dark reddish tones dominate the screen. A frustrated character sits slumped, hands on head, in front of a monitor displaying GTA Online's loading screen with an overlaying, native in-game error pop-up box. The error box is themed in the game's UI style, displaying "Session is having trouble refreshing important catalog data" prominently. Bright, vibrant green tones. The same character is now smiling, raising a fist in triumph, with GTA Online running perfectly in the background, showing a bustling Los Santos scene. Both sides are 4K, hyper-realistic, with professional cinematic lighting. Core solutions: resolving catalog data errors. Verify game file integrity. Corrupted or missing game files can severely disrupt GTA Online's ability to fetch crucial data, including catalog information. Utilize your game launcher's built-in verification tool, whether it's Steam, Epic Games Launcher, or the Rockstar Games Launcher, to scan and repair any discrepancies. This process ensures all essential game assets are intact and correctly configured, eliminating a common source of data loading failures. Restart your PC and network hardware. A fundamental yet often overlooked troubleshooting step involves power cycling your computer and network devices. Restarting your PC clears temporary system glitches and refreshes network configurations, while restarting your modem and router flushes their caches, reestablishes fresh connections with your internet service provider, ISP, and resolves potential IP conflicts. Always allow your router to fully boot up before reconnecting your PC. Disable VPN connections. While VPNs offer privacy and can bypass geo-restrictions, they can introduce latency and routing issues that interfere with GTA Online's connection to Rockstar servers. Temporarily disable any active VPN client before launching the game to ascertain if it's contributing to the catalog data refresh problem. If disabling the VPN resolves the issue, consider using a gaming-optimized VPN or connecting directly. Test connectivity with mobile hotspot. To definitively rule out issues with your primary internet connection or ISP, try connecting your PC to a mobile hotspot from your smartphone. If GTA Online functions correctly on mobile data, it strongly indicates a problem with your home network configuration, ISP routing, or local firewall settings, narrowing down the scope of further investigation. This method provides critical diagnostic insight into the network path. Deactivate ISP-provided Safe Internet features. Some ISPs implement Safe Internet or parental control features that filter certain traffic or block specific IP ranges, potentially interfering with GTA Online server communications. Access your ISP's online portal or router settings to temporarily disable these features and retest the game. Ensure any web filters or security profiles are not inadvertently obstructing Rockstar's network endpoints. Change DNS settings to Google Public DNS. The most impactful solution for this specific error often involves switching from your ISP's default DNS servers to a public, reliable alternative like Google DNS. Navigate to your network adapter settings, use the following DNS server addresses, and enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. This can significantly improve connection reliability and resolve hostname lookup issues, which are critical for refreshing catalog data. Flush DNS cache and renew IP address. After changing DNS settings or experiencing network issues, residual DNS entries in your local cache can cause persistent problems. Open Command Prompt as administrator and execute IP protocol configuration/flushtons, followed by IP protocol configuration/release and IP protocol configuration/renew to clear your DNS resolver cache and obtain a fresh IP address from your router. This ensures your system is using the most current network configurations. Verify Social Club website accessibility. GTA Online heavily relies on Rockstar's Social Club platform for authentication and game services. Attempt to access https://socialclub.rockstargames.com directly in your web browser. If you cannot reach the site, it indicates a broader network block or connectivity issue preventing your system from communicating with Rockstar's essential infrastructure, which would directly cause catalog data refresh failures. Configure Windows Firewall for GTA 5. Ensure Windows Defender Firewall is not blocking GTA Online's network communications. Navigate to Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security, then Inbound Rules. Locate all entries for Grand Theft Auto 5, typically several for different profiles, and verify they are set to allow the connection. For advanced configurations, ensure edge traversal is also permitted under advanced settings for these rules. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus/firewall. Aggressive third-party antivirus software or firewalls can sometimes overzealously block legitimate game traffic, including the data refresh requests from GTA Online. Temporarily disable these security programs to see if they are interfering with the game's network access. If this resolves the problem, add GTA 5 and its associated launchers as explicit exceptions within your security software. Update network drivers. Outdated or corrupted network adapter drivers can lead to unstable connections and data packet loss, directly impacting GTA Online's ability to refresh data. Visit your motherboard manufacturer's website or the website of your dedicated network card, e.g., Intel Realtek, to download and install the latest drivers for your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter. A driver update can resolve underlying connectivity issues. Check for Rockstar Games launcher updates. The Rockstar Games launcher itself needs to be up to date to function correctly and communicate with game servers. Ensure the launcher is running its latest version, as outdated versions can suffer from compatibility issues that prevent proper game data fetching. The launcher usually updates automatically, but a manual check can confirm its status. Review in-game network settings NT type. Within GTA Online settings or through your platform's network diagnostics, check your network address translation NT type. An open NT type provides the best connectivity, while moderate or strict types can limit communication with other players and game servers, potentially causing data refresh issues. You may need to configure port forwarding on your router to achieve an open NAT. Perform port forwarding for GTA Online. If your NAT type is not open, or you continue to face connectivity issues, configuring specific port forwarding rules on your router can help. Consult Rockstar's support pages for the exact TCP and UDP ports required for GTA Online on your platform. Forwarding these ports directly to your PC's IP address can optimize the network path and ensure all necessary data can pass through. Disable IPv6 temporarily. While IPv6 is the successor to IPv4, some older network hardware or specific ISP configurations might not fully support it, leading to connectivity problems with certain applications. Temporarily disable IPv6 in your network adapter properties and retest GTA Online to determine if it is causing compatibility issues. If this resolves the error, consult your ISP or router manufacturer. Check for router firmware updates. An outdated router firmware can introduce bugs and compatibility issues that affect network performance and stability. Access your router's administration panel, usually via a web browser, and check for any available firmware updates. Always download firmware directly from your router manufacturer's official website and follow their update instructions carefully to avoid bricking your device. Minimize background applications. Excessive background applications can consume valuable bandwidth and CPU resources, potentially throttling GTA Online's connection or causing resource contention. Close any unnecessary programs, especially those that actively use the internet, e.g., streaming services, large downloads, other game launchers, before launching GTA Online to dedicate maximum resources to the game. Scan for malware or adware. Malicious software can severely degrade system performance and interfere with network communications, leading to errors in online games. Perform a full system scan using reputable anti-malware software to identify and remove any threats. A clean system ensures that no rogue processes are clandestinely consuming bandwidth or disrupting your connection to Rockstar servers. Contact your internet service provider, ISP. If all local troubleshooting steps fail, the issue might lie further up the network chain with your ISP. Contact their technical support, explain the specific error you're encountering in GTA Online, and mention the steps you've already taken, particularly regarding DNS changes and testing with mobile data. They may be able to diagnose line issues, routing problems, or provide alternative DNS servers. Submit a support ticket to Rockstar Games. As a final recourse, if none of the above solutions resolve the catalog data error, gather all relevant information, including screenshots of the error, network diagnostic results, and a list of all troubleshooting steps you've performed, and submit a detailed support ticket to Rockstar Games' official support portal. Their team can investigate potential server-side issues or account-specific problems. By systematically working through these solutions, particularly focusing on DNS optimization and network configuration, you stand an excellent chance of resolving this session is having trouble refreshing important catalog data. Error in GTA Online. Persistence and methodical testing are key to pinpointing the root cause. Don't forget to follow Technobalta for more in-depth technical guides and solutions.